Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how you can manage the design of your website. Go to your Site Manager panel and click on Design in the left menu. There you'll see the Page Editor, Themes, Colors and Fonts, CSS Editor and the Email Editor. We'll get started with the Page Editor. Page Editor. Within this section, you'll see all the default pages of the website already set and configured. Scrolling down, you can see each one of them. You can create new pages, but in order to apply changes to specific page, click on Edit. Here you'll notice that the page is structured using widgets, each with its own functionality. You can place them anywhere on the page by simply clicking on them, dragging, and dropping them to your desired location. You can edit widgets by clicking the small pencil icon. Each widget comes with its own settings, allowing you to customize and optimize the functionality of each section on the page. You can freely customize the page layout by adding new widgets from our library of pre-built widgets designed specifically for directories. If you can't find a suitable widget, don't worry. You can use the Custom Content widget, which allows you to freely add text, images, videos, and hyperlinks. You can even embed HTML code using the Source button. Themes. If you'd like to explore alternative layouts for your eDirectory, you can browse our available themes. Each theme offers a unique look, feel, and specific sections. However, keep in mind that the images shown are for display purposes only. When you select a theme, it will update the default widget selections on the pages and apply a standard color palette. If you switch to another theme after making changes in the page editor, all your modifications will be overwritten, so proceed with caution. Colors and fonts. In the Colors and Fonts section, you can customize up to 8 different color options for your website. These colors affect various elements, creating a cohesive and visually appealing design that reflects your brand identity. You can also choose fonts for your website's headings and text, with a selection powered by Google Fonts. Additionally, you can adjust font sizes and define border options to further personalize your site's appearance. CSS Editor. For those with advanced CSS knowledge, the CSS editor in eDirectory allows you to customize your website's appearance by modifying its style sheets. Whether you're looking to make minor tweaks or even implement significant design changes, the CSS editor offers the flexibility needed to achieve your desired look. Email Editor. The email editor in eDirectory enables you to customize email notifications for standard interactions on your site. You can disable unwanted notifications and edit existing ones by selecting the notification and modifying its content as desired. This feature allows you to tailor email communications to better align with your site's needs and branding. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.